Hey loves, bonjour, mabuhay, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I am going to share with you the recent items that I have purchased from Chanel code Couleur. So if you're interested, just stay tuned. Hey loves, welcome back. By the way, if you're new to my channel, hi, welcome. My name is Roma and it is so nice to meet you. In this channel, I do videos about luxury as well as contemporary items and from time to time some motherhood lifestyle. So if you're into those topics, please consider liking this video, subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell. That way you won't miss any of my videos. Okay, so before I start this video, I just want to let you know that if you'll be hearing some noises, it's totally normal because I have my son just right beside me and his bouncer playing, and the other noises are actually outside noises because I have my window fully opened because it's currently freaking hot here in Belgium. So without further ado, I'm going to share with you the items that I have recently purchased from Chanel Le Code Couleur, and here they are. So yeah, as you can see, I have two boxes. Okay, I am really not the ecologic person because at first I wanted to buy this together and then I kind of hesitate, and I was like, okay, I'm just going to pick one because I don't need the other one. And then once I have purchased the first one, I think 5 minutes later, I was like, you know what? I think I'm going to get the second one because I don't want to be sorry about it, because this is something that I can keep for a very long time. It's also a collection. And so as you can see, they are still closed. I'm going to unbox them. And while I am unboxing them, I'm going to start with the small one. While I am unboxing them, it will be fun if you put your ideas of what do you think these items are, and it will be fun to read in the comment section what do you think they are. So yeah, so this is the first one that I am opening. Not very easy to open. Oh yeah, I have ordered them online, and to be honest, the delivery was very fast. I think it's within a day or two that it arrived, so I really like that from Chanel online. So I'm going to open the second box, the bigger one, and then I'm going to show them both to you. So this is a live unboxing, as you can see. So just a second, I'm going to open both of them, and dun, 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 dun. Okay, so let's start with the small one. So it's like that, and I have opted for the packaging with a pouch because what I like about this one is that I can always use the pouch afterwards. So in here there's nothing more, it's just the return receipt if ever. And then on the big one, I also opted for the bag, and then again the return receipt. So here are the two items, and like I've mentioned, I have opted for the yes, I know I have opted for this packaging because I can use the bags instead of the paper bag, and the positive note is that the fact that I have ordered them separately, I've been able to pick two samples. So in total, I have 4 samples instead of 2. So we'll start with the small one. So here it is, and inside it's like that, and it has all of this. And inside I have I opted for the Coromandel Chanel Eau de Parfum as well as the Chanel Allure Homme Eau de Toilette as a sample. And in here I got the La Lime ongle, so the nail file, and it's in the color 111 ballerina. So that's it. I'm just going to show you how it looks like, and if you have mentioned this in the comment section, well then great, perfect. So that's how it looks like. It has a beautiful black felt. Oh, you're excited too. Yes. Oh, my son is excited too. So that is the nail file. That's how it looks like. And this is the pastel pink. And that's how it looks like at the back. And what I like about this is that it's reusable, so it will really last me for a very long time. So this was actually the first one that I got, if I'm not mistaken. And then let's open the second. So this is the second one. It's a lot bigger. And then again in here, same thing. Now all of this. Ooh, smells good. So inside I have, again, I opted for the same samples, to be honest. I have the Chanel Allure Homme and then the Coromandel Chanel. And then in here I have the double mirror. And again, I opted for the 111 Ballerina limited edition. So just going to open it to show you guys. Here it is. Yes, baby. And then again, it's in black, with a black felt protection. And this is how, oh, this is the back, the color looks like. This is the mirror, so it's double facet. I am going to show you actually what the original one looks like. So it's also the same pouch, velvety pouch, and that is how the black one looks like, and this is how the pink one looks like. And they do have a lot of different colors. I think it exists in bright pink, yellow, dark blue, maroon, what else? Oh, sage green, lilac, and the pink one. And since this one apparently was immediately sold out in the US when it available here in Belgium, this was the first one that I picked up. So yeah, I took the ballerina one for the double mirror as well as the ballerina one in the nail file. I'm just going to show it again. Yeah, here are them both. So cute, right? And I think I have opted also for this color because I like the subtleness of it, and it reminds me of the Le Beige powder, compact powder that looks like this. So this one is, as you can see, Le Beige powder, and I have it in number 30, just to show you how it looks like. So it's like that. It has a puff, but I don't have it in here. And that's the difference of a color. So this is really, you know, the very, I think, ivory color, and then this is the pink. And then I'm just going to put on the side the black one so you can have the color. Yeah. So there you go. To be honest, I was also debating to pick up the brushes because I really like the packaging, but I'm not sure because I do already have a lot of makeup brushes, and I was like, do I really need one? Because the brushes, they are quite expensive in a certain way. They are, of course, there are 3 brushes in them with the holder, and it's around 160 euros. By the way, this one, I'm just going to double check. So the mirror cost 40 euros, and then the nail file cost 32 euros. And then if I'm going to check out on the website currently, let me have a look, the different colors, if the ballerina is still available. Just going to check because, like I've mentioned, I think in the US it was immediately out of stock, in the UK also, but afterwards they restock it. But here in Belgium, just going to double check if that is the case. Yeah, here for the time being, here in Belgium, both of them, well, at least the ballerina one, they are all available. So yeah, I'm very happy that I have been able to score them. To be honest, I wasn't really expecting to buy them, but I saw them online. I was like, ha, nice stuff. And anyways, I can always, these are the kind of items that I know that I will be able to keep for a very, very long time. And anyway, and also having too much mirror is, I think, okay. I can put them in different handbags. So that's it. That was the items that I have purchased from the Chanel Le Code Couleur. Okay, so my son wanted to join us for the outro of this video. So that was the items that I have recently purchased from Chanel Le Code Couleur. If you have any questions about the mirror as well as the nail file, let me know in the comment section down below. And also, I need your info if you think I should bite the bullet and purchase the brushes. I don't know, let me know in the comment section down below. So I hope that this video has entertained you in a certain way, and if it did, please click the like button. That way it will help the algorithms of my channel. And until then, I hope to see you soon on my next video, and take care. Bye.